sa libingan ng Bayani. Ang batas nagsabi sino ang pwedeng ilibing doon sa libingan. Presidents and soldiers. Huwag na muna yung iba. Marcos was a president. As a matter of fact, I voted for him during the first term. My father was with him. He was a cabinet member. So I voted for him. Marcos was a soldier. Sinabi lang ng mga kalaban na hindi totoo. But they never sabi, hindi totoo yan si Marcos. Totoo yan. Well, you know, 5, 6, 7 tao magsabi totoo, lumaban talaga yan. Pwedeng hindi nakapatay. Pero he was there to fight for his country. Okay.